Ever wondered how to find the best solar farm locations using just GIS tools? Head over to story.mapog.com. Click Create New Map, give your project a title and description. Start by selecting your target country, state from the GIS data library, add key layers, state boundary, land use, industrial, nature, rivers and infrastructure, transmission lines. Use style layers to customize and improve map layer appearance. Next, upload solar irradiance data GHI using add/upload data upload vector file. Go to the style layer to style the points into a heat map to visualize high potential solar zones. Go to process data, use the buffer tool, and create a 2 km buffer around rivers. Go to process data, select merge polygon, use 2 km river buffer as input, and merge by attribute and value as shown. Once again, go to the buffer tool and process data to create a 500-meter buffer for the transmission line and use the merge polygons from process data, then rename the merged output layer. Use advanced filter from process data, select land use industrial, apply layer operations, choose merged river layer and further. Set buffer to 5 km to exclude industrial parcels within flood zones. Again, use process data, advanced filter input as analysis 1, apply layer operations, choose merged power line, and operation to within 500 meter to filter industrial parcels within of transmission lines. Use add story add point manually to mark site, custom type, solar site, and attributes, GHI value name area and as shown and upload details. Use point customization and label it. Click publish and share to embed it. Contact support at mapog.com. Like, share, and subscribe for GIS ideas.